Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Annapurneshwari Parit, first year CSE student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. I am here with a new topic that is petrol and the hybrid vehicles. In this video, we are going to see introduction about petrol vehicles, advantages and disadvantages of petrol vehicles, introduction about hybrid vehicles, advantages and disadvantages of hybrid vehicles, and comparison between hybrid and the petrol vehicles. So let us begin with the petrol vehicles. What are petrol vehicles? The petrol vehicles are nothing but vehicles typically uses a spark ignited internal combustion engine. In a spark ignited system, the fuel is injected into the combustion chamber and combined with the air. The air and the fuel mixture is injected by a spark from the spark plug, either manual and automatic transmission. The main parts of petrol engines are engine cylinder, piston, spark plug, carburetor, intake, and the exhaust valve. The petrol vehicle undergoes four different strokes. The four different strokes are, you can see in the image that there are four different strokes. The first one is nothing but the suction stroke. Second one is the compression stroke. Third one is the power stroke. And the fourth one is the exhaust stroke. And the working principle of these four-stroke petrol engine is based on theoretical Otto cycle. Hence, it is known as the Otto cycle engine. Otto cycle engine means it has a constant volume. What are the advantages of petrol vehicles? Petrol engines are generally powerful by way of horsepower than diesel. Petrol engines naturally benefit from being easier to tune and tune up. It has a better ratio of price to power and burn fuel more eco-friendly than diesel does. Petrol is usually cheaper than diesel fuel. What are the disadvantages of petrol vehicles? Generally, the petrol engine's lifespan is almost always shorter than that of the diesel. Diesel engines usually have a higher residual value. Petrol engines get fewer miles per gallon than their diesel counterparts. Let's go through what hybrid vehicles. Hybrid vehicles, they combine an electric drive system and an internal combustion engine. This means that the vehicles can drive farther than pure electric cars and they consume less gasoline or a diesel than vehicles running with an internal combustion engine. The main parts of these hybrid vehicles are motor, reducer, battery, onboard charger, electric power control unit. So this is the block diagram of hybrid vehicle. It has engine, generator and the converter. It has battery, motor and converter, transmission and the wheels. What are the advantages of these hybrid vehicles? Hybrid vehicles are environmental friendly. Financial benefits, less dependence on fossil fuels, regenerative braking system built from light materials, assistance from electric motor, smaller engines, automatic start and stop, electric only drive, high resale value. And the disadvantages of these hybrid vehicles are they have less power, can be expensive, poorer handling, higher maintenance cost, accident from high voltage in a battery, battery replacement is pricey, battery disposal and recycling, hydrogen fuel cell issues. Comparison between hybrid and the petrol vehicles. Petrol vehicles are powered engine or an internal combustion engine primarily runs on petrol that is burnt in the combustion chamber of an engine, transferring power to the wheels via a drive shaft. Whereas hybrid powered vehicles has a regular internal combustion engine and an electrical drivetrain that work together. The vehicle is primarily driven with a battery pack or by the ICE depending on the type of vehicles. The petrol vehicles buying cost is very low compared to the other alternatives, whereas hybrid vehicles buying cost is higher due to combination of two technologies that are IC engine and the electric battery. Petrol vehicles contribute to global warming due to more carbon emission, whereas hybrid vehicles contribute less because the carbon footprints of the hybrid vehicles are less compared to that of the petrol cars. So some examples of petrol vehicles are Maruti Suzuki Alto, Hyundai Verna, Hyundai i20, Tata Nexon, and so on. Most of the vehicles in the Indian market are petrol driven. Some examples of hybrid vehicles are newly launched in the India, that are Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara Strong Hybrid, Honda City Hybrid. If there is a choice given between hybrid and the petrol vehicle, hybrid vehicles are the best choice, because if you guys are looking for a car that are eco-friendly and cost-effective, in the long run, hybrid car may be the best option for you. These cars offer significant saving on a fuel cost and are better for the environment. A hybrid car is a vehicle that combines power of a gasoline engine and an electric motor. This type of car increases fuel efficiency and reduces emission. And the hybrid cars are advantageous over petrol cars as they are more fuel efficient, less emission of pollution, and have a better resale value. They are also advantageous over electric car as they offer a longer drive range and have less dependence on charging infrastructure. Hybrid cars requires less maintenance as they have fewer mechanical components, and the brake pads last longer due to regenerative braking. Thank you. Thank you for watching.